Welcome back. I am the regular cook who doesn't cook regular, and today I'm going to show you how to do a beurre blanc or white butter sauce. A beurre blanc means white butter. So guys, this is how you make the beurre blanc or white butter sauce. You know we call it beurre blanc, but it's really a beurre blanc. Here we have butter, shallot, lime, lemon. I go Brunoise the shallots. Brunoise mean fine dice. After I Brunoise the shallot, we use a slice of about 2 slices of lemon or 2 wedges, and we're going to just put the white wine in the pot. So after I fine dice the shallots and we have a few slices of lemon, just add them to the pot with the white wine. And this stage, I make something called one gastride. And the gastride, I'm going to reduce the gastride into a sack. So after I dice up my shallot and slice up my lime and put it in wine, and this is called a gastride. And what basically I don't know is reduce this gastride into a sack. A sack means nearly dry. You reduce it down till it nearly dry, and then you start incorporate butter and then add some heavy cream. So the name will change from beurre blanc to beurre nantes. The gastride reach to a sack. I'm going to remove the lime, the lemon. Remove the lemon and then add a little bit of cream and then incorporate my butter. So yes, so I add in my cream and reduce the heat so it go below boiling point. Now I go add in my butter. I add them in one by one because I incorporate them. You go over boiling point, the curdle, it broke. Bear in mind, it has to be hard butter, can't be soft butter. It has to be hard. You have to incorporate soft butter only like a melt. And here I have my nice fluffy beurre blanc. Now I'm going to add some salt and pepper to it for flavor, additional flavor. This time I add black pepper. guys, yeah, now that the beurre blanc is done, I'm going to strain it. This is why I look. This is the beurre blanc. Nice white butter sauce.